I don't really use much ricotta in my cooking, but when I make this dish, I go to town with it. And it's a classic for a reason. Why is it a classic for a reason, Steve? Well, 1, it's quick to make. 2, you can add a lot of stuff in this. And 3, more importantly, it's absolutely delicious. It really is. Before we jump in, check out my pasta playlist. From how to make fresh pasta to amazing simple recipes, it's got everything if you love pasta. Link below. First, let's get some flavour going. Finely diced shallot, add olive oil to a pan, add shallots and grated garlic. Have your heat on low for this. Gently sweat for about 1 minute, then transfer to a bowl. A great addition to this dish is baby kale. I just prefer it over spinach, but if you can't find baby kale, spinach will do fine. I've also got a small handful of basil. In the same pan, add olive oil, add a pinch of salt to the pan. You don't have to do this, I just do it sometimes. Add the kale and basil and cook for about 1 minute. It will wilt down pretty fast. When it's wilted, make sure you remove the water. It's bitter and you don't want it. Then transfer to a bowl. For texture and of course flavour, I toasted some walnuts. They're amazing in this dish. Have your heat on medium and watch them like a hawk. If you don't, they will creep up on you and they will burn. And transfer to a bowl. Next, add ricotta, lemon zest for some lemony pop, and juice. Half and half or heavy cream if you must. Good quality parm, stir well, season to taste, and go easy because the cheese is also salty, and stir well again. I use some delicious fresh homemade basil linguine. But it doesn't have to be basil or linguine, any normal pasta will be fine. Next, add pasta to salted boiling water. Because my pasta is fresh, it took about 3 minutes to cook. If you're cooking dried, just look on the back of the box. When cooked, add the pasta to the bowl. Add peas to the water and literally blanch for about 30 seconds. This is just to make them slightly soft and more brighter. A lot of people are probably thinking, why did you add peas, Steve? Well, 1, I love peas, and 2, I guess it's an English thing. But like I said, you can add a lot of stuff with this, like salmon's good, smoked salmon's good, and chicken. I like to have it with salmon or chicken. Fantastic. And don't be afraid to use that pasta water. Small ladle right at the end. Don't go crazy. Just gives it some body, some sheen, some flavour. Beautiful. Mix all the pasta well and plate up. I hope you give this a try because it's quick and delicious. Thanks guys.